What's going on, everybody? So we're going to do a little technical analysis, a look at NEO. NEO had earnings today. On those earnings, what did we do after the bell? Have not even looked at this stock. Looks like market closed here. Big run up into 22.97. Obviously have some supply there. We got some supply above. Kind of been selling off ever since. It is what it is, right? So let's take a look at the daily chart and let's kind of see where we stand, right? So obviously, if we want to see NEO get extremely bullish, we're going to need to take out that 2261, kind of the area of opportunity that we ran into after hours. And why we stopped there, we're running right into, and I can actually just take off my price level here, but we ran into the 50-day moving average, guys, on the daily time frame here. So, regardless of what you think about, whatever catalyst and whatever earnings or what news a company has, guys, take a look at technical analysis. You want to understand where institutional buyers or, big time traders or banks or hedge funds are going to be buying and selling stock. As good as a rally that NEO has had, the last 7 days, today being the 8th day, as good a rally as that's been off the bottom from $13, that's a phenomenal move. So if you have, taken part in some trades to the long side, congratulations. Make sure you lock in those gains. Just understand where you are from a daily macro view. And the daily macro view that we're at is pretty much this, what is it, 2283 is the 50-day moving average. That's extremely a big level when it comes to stocks. So when you are below the 50-day moving average, generally market sentiment is more sell biased. It's more bearish, right? Under the 50-day, bad, right? Now, are you going to have green days? Can you trade long on bounces? Of course. Just like when stocks are oversupply and over the 50-day and over the 205-day moving average, whatever average that you're looking at, will there be red days? Of course, right? So all this is right now is just a healthy bounce back into a retest of the 50-day moving average. Now, if we are looking for a bigger trade, maybe you are swing trading this, maybe you're holding this long term and you're wondering where can the stock price go? The next clear area of supply is 24.26, which is this Bollinger Band that is subject to change, as well as 25.90. Let's call it $26. Anything over 22.83, anything over $23 has another $3 to push up into this linear regression line here, which is going to act as a little bit more supply. And obviously over 26 has room into 27. So those are your levels here. Just, if you don't understand why we stopped here after hours, well, this red baby right here is a 50-day moving average. Things get extremely bearish or extremely bullish over under the 50-day moving average. If you're looking for a play long, make sure that we get a close over the 22.83, which is a 50-day moving average. I think that as soon as we can pop this 50-day moving average, close over and hold that area, either take a position there. Just understand that if we do lose the 50-day moving average, you want to get the hell out of Dodge, right? Because the last time we lost a 50-day moving average, and I have to go way back here, the last time we lost this 50-day moving average was back in December, and that price was $38, and we went from $38 all the way down to $13. So there's no chance in that I'm going to be getting long over the 50-day moving average and then lose the 50-day moving average and still hold it. I'm not trying to see my position go from $22, $23 all the way back down to 13 and even lower. Now, obviously not saying that it's going to do that, come lower than 13, but what I'm saying is you get my drift, right? So over the 50-day moving average bullish, just understand where your supply zones are, 26, 27. Those are the next two, obviously, small price targets. Obviously, still your big granddaddy of them all is a 200-day moving average, and that's sitting right around 35. So definitely, if this does decide to take a multi-month run here where we kind of reconfirm this 50-day moving average and start pushing higher, then definitely you're going to be very, very happy that you're in here at 22, 23, and then able to ride this into 35. Now, obviously, if you're in somewhere down here, then obviously you're going to make a little bit more money, but this is a lot more riskier play because let's say, for example, you do not take profits. We do get stuffed at the 50 and then roll over. You can quickly lose those profits, and that trade is no good. Remember, guys, you haven't made anything till you realize those gains. With that being said, I will see you guys all on the next trading video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up button and make sure you guys join the Discord. And if you guys are looking to learn how to trade options and use my strategy, definitely go to evolutiontraders.com and become a lifetime member. I will help you guys out. I will see you guys all on the next video.